Hey guys, welcome back. So today you guys can hear that I am sick. Not like super sick, but like I'm feeling fine, but like my throat and my voice sounds horrible. So I kind of sound like a man, but I'm gonna do a video anyways because I love doing videos. So this video is my Boxycharm unboxing. So if you would like to see what is in my box, then just keep watching. So the card is right here. So let's just get started. So the first thing here says South Maine. This is 3 eye gels for your eyes. Oh, for making it more not as puffy. So I'm not gonna use this here because I have like some makeup and stuff on already, but I'm definitely gonna use this. This is just for, like, you can see the picture right here, like where you're gonna put it right here, so it's not all like puffy and stuff like that. So that's really great. These gels are for $10. So the next thing in here is from Vintage Cosmetic, and it is a smoky eye brush trio. So let's see if I can open it. I feel like I can never open these things. So the 3 brushes look like this. It even says step 1, step 2, and step 3. So I will do exactly like they say to do that. All right, so I hope that oh yes there is. Okay, I was gonna say I hope there's like a eyeshadow palette like in here. So right here comes like this, and oh, it is from Pure. So it is from Pure and Boxycharm. So it looks like this. Let's see together what it looks like. Ooh, pretty. Here's the thing here. I'm gonna start off with this color right here, and I'm just going to kind of set everything here because I didn't set anything. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in my crease, just kind of put it everywhere just because that's kind of what I want to do. So I started here and I'm gonna continue going here, and then I'm gonna go back to this color right here. So I'm just gonna take this color right here and just kind of put it in my crease just so it has a way to blend it with everything else. I'm not using a ton, but just putting it right here. And I'm using that same brush also. And I'm gonna turn it on the side and kind of blend it all out. So I'm gonna go right here and try to make it a little bit darker and kind of put it more in the center of the lid. So I'm just making sure everything is nice and blended. You don't want it to be all like crotchy. And I'm keeping that in because that's hilarious. What is the word I'm trying to use? Because I'm definitely not using crotchy. I'm just trying to make it so it's not all like, I don't know what the word I want to say. But I'm going to be using this color up here, but I want to make sure everything is nice and blended. Go in with this smaller brush, and I'm gonna start with this color here. So I'm just going to gently pat it here, just at the lash line, and then I'll blend it out later. But I want to make sure everything here is all blended here, and then I'll blend it all later. I'm gonna switch the other brush and make sure that this is nice and blended. Now you don't want to touch it very much with the brush. You just want to make sure it is slowly going up. If you need just a little bit of color, you can add a tiny little bit at a time, but don't add too much and then it'll be all like blech. Did you like that word? I just used just blech because I couldn't think of anything else. I'm also going to use my finger to make it a little bit more, like the color is coming out more. So just blending it with my finger and blend this also. Next, I'm gonna take a pencil brush. I'm gonna take my Max Fix Plus, spray this, and then I'm gonna take this color right here and put it on the center. All right, I'm gonna go a little bit darker. I'm gonna use maybe this one. If it looks bad, oh well. But I just wanna make it a little bit darker and put the darker color right here. And then on the inner part, just a tiny bit right here. It's just making it a little bit more depth. Bam. Alright, next going back into the darker color here, I'm not gonna make it a round circle, but it's gonna be kind of, I just want it to be a little bit darker here, and then I want to kind of blend it out more so it's more rounded. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the top that I'm putting on the bottom. Alright, next for the box we have Butter London Double Decker Mascara. So that's exciting. Let's see how it works. If I can open this. It looks like this. It's like nice and fat, like you can see. Like I hope that's going to be really good. And let's see how it looks here. Ooh, that looks really nice. It looks kind of like one from Benefit, the Big Lash or something. What is it? Bad Lash. It kind of looks like that. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so I actually really like the mascara. It's like really coating me, and it's like making it nice and long, and it's like not too like dry, and it's not too like wet. I actually really like it, and I really like how it came out with everything. Just like look at my lashes, like right here, like it all looks so like there's so many lashes, you know, like it's like burr, 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 burr. I like it. Alright, so the last thing in the box is a blush, and this is from Pretty Vulgar. Super cute, nice packaging. So it looks like this, and that's actually a super pretty color. So I'm going to use this is my Sigma F40, and I'm going to give myself some blush. So it's very powdery, like you can see it, but let's not add too much, Courtney. It is very powdery, so make sure you don't put too much, like I probably did. So there is not any highlighter in here, so I'm just gonna use one of my other highlighters. This is from Purr also. This is not from the box. This was from the last box, I think, but I just absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna use this color right here and give myself some highlight because I love this. This is one of my favorites. This is like an amazing highlight, and it's from the same Purr, or Purr, however you say it. But I absolutely love it. I use it all the time. Alright guys, so the box is empty. This is everything from my Boxycharm this month. I absolutely love everything in it. I think this eyeshadow is super cute. I think it has tons of great different colors in it. So the Purr eyeshadow palette was $36. The mascara was $20. The ones that I did not use, these are $10. The brushes are $23.15 for those, and then the blush is $26. So if you add it all up, it is about $110 for everything in the box. But you guys know that you are not paying that much for the box. So I will put my coupon code down below so you guys can get some money off. This Boxycharm is so good. If you guys haven't done Boxycharm yet, I don't know what you're doing. You should really get it, even if you just get one, just so you know that what you're missing, because I know you will love it. There's so many things in here that I just absolutely love them. Like, once again, I'm gonna apologize for my voice right now because I literally sound like a man, which is fine. Men are fine, but I'm a girl. But I don't know if I'm sick or if I'm getting sick or if I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know down below if you guys have used Boxycharm yet. Once again, I will put my link down below for you guys. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.